It is a beautiful journey that's still going on. Still recruiting, growing, learning, and also collecting Employee of the Month awards. For me, it is job titles. I don't need coffee anymore. I'm without it. More emails, sadly. I think a dozen, and I'm proud of it. I read minds while recruiting, and that's very important. So while having conversation with the candidates or clients, we have to be focused and read minds as well. So both. My psychic ability about resume, I can scan resumes within a second. I can say if it is a fake resume, a good one, how many percent match. So it's pretty good. Just yesterday I spotted a resume under 5 minutes. So it can be a world record, but I can spot resumes within 10 seconds, 20, but under 5 minutes. To be honest, there is one moment when I submitted a candidate. She was hired and she was a great candidate. I know that, and it was a very personal touch with her. And the next month, I submitted another candidate, and it was a very proud moment for me that she was the interviewer that I submitted. So this is one and I will remember this the whole life that this was happened. So this is one moment that I'll never forget. To be honest, a lot. And it's been 4 years, so there are many people who have started, so a lot. I did survive 4 years of interview, but it was not every time no show. Sometimes, but and I'm still mentoring others to deal with that and avoid that kind of instances. I think every we are hiring post or email would have my fingerprints, because wherever that's we are hiring, I would be there. My inbox is always alive. If I'm sleeping, if I'm at home, at work, everywhere, it's always alive. To be honest, I have dreams about job descriptions, and I can say that I edit resumes in my dream. Obviously, lunchtime. Finding lunchtime is very difficult for me. Finding talent is very easy. I can find it like that. I think the option that I need doesn't have that. As my name says, Pearl, so I think it would be Pearl. And I have heard from many leaders as well that I am Pearl of Rung Technologies. I don't have a number, but to be honest, I don't have space at my desk, so there are few trophies at my home as well. The keyboard is fine. I think the calendars are screaming right now. Always, I just wait for that particular moment when I get an offer and I could tell the candidate that yes, you are hired. And that is a beautiful moment. To be honest, the culture and the people around, I am every day excited to be at the office just because of the work, the culture, and the people that are around. Also, the mentors, they have helped me a lot in this journey to be here, and starting from a trainee recruiter to senior and now a team lead. So still I'm learning a lot from them to go ahead and mentor other people. But To be honest, the people and the culture. That is what I like about Rang Technologies. The Fun Friday activities are something that I look up to and always wait for the Fridays. And a tough question, but to be honest, I have cheesecakes while sourcing the candidates. So, to be honest, just be dedicated towards the work. If you're working with focus, with dedication, that is the main thing and the most important thing that I've done to reach here. I just want to thank Rang Technologies to give me this opportunity. The memories that I've created with them, the confidence that I gained with them, and still I'm growing with them and looking forward for what's next.